The silver 7's was going to change into the Continental, and that's what we found out about a year ago, and all of a sudden that's not true anymore. All of a sudden there is no sign of the Continental. I don't know what happened. Yeah, right up there, that balcony was supposedly going to be a pink taco. So we got the space available for it right behind that wall upstairs where they have a restaurant. I guess the restaurant was going to go away and it was going to be a pink taco, and then they were going to have that balcony there. It was going to be a beautiful view of the Strip, outdoor dining. And most of the year at night you can dine outdoors. It would have been beautiful, really. Nobody knows what happened, though. The workers do not know. They have not told them a damn thing. This is obviously a locals. Well, I say it's locals, but they do have a lot of hotel rooms. So, but their daily business is definitely locals.
Okay, now I'll leave. This one, boom, two. I would get the second one.
Oh, they have the virtual blackjack here. I told you that maybe 9 months ago. I think this is a $5. Yeah, this is a $5 craps. This one's always $5. You can always play here. Of course, you can't right now because there's not enough people. But it's always $5. And then this virtual blackjack. Really cool. I think I have a video of it in play from Treasure Island. Just like regular blackjack, a real dealer deals real cards right there, and whenever they throw them your way, you can see them come down in your screen in front of you. You can hit or hold, and nobody knows what you're doing. This guy over here, he doesn't know what you're doing. That's good, because if you're not a professional and you want to hit on a 16, and this guy over here's got $1,000 and he wants to bust your jaw for hitting on a 16, he'll never know you hit on a 16. He'll just say, "What the hell happened?" I think you should hit on a 20. You know that ace is coming up. Got two roulette games at once. Got to play them both. Maximize your winnings. With the $3 roulette. That's the promotion. Ooh, a barbecue grill, an egg cooker. Shaggy pillows. How's that egg cooker work? Makes boiled eggs, I guess, but it's not with water. I don't know. I don't know about that. This is the lowest priced play you can get in here, $1 blackjack. I'm not sure why this is $3. This should be $1. It's $1. Plenty of places. Ooh, they changed this room. Wow. They moved out a lot of video poker. A lot. This whole room was filled with these old machines right here. This type right here. Ooh, they got rid of a bunch of them. I thought this was real popular. It looks like, okay, they got rid of all their table games they had in here, but they did that about 6 months ago. It looks like they're going to try to have less and less employees because most of their table games out in the main area are automated. But I don't know what they did with all those video poker machines. I thought that was their main business here. And they've really spread this out, which is good, but I just don't understand. I thought they were doing good with all those machines. This is the first time I've been here during the day in a long, long time. So we finally get to see the swimming pool. See, this side over here, straight ahead, is the old section. That's the smoking section, still the smoking section. This is the non-smoking over here. Now, how many of these rooms have been smoked in? Probably every damn one of them. A lot of people get a non-smoking room and smoke like hell. They don't care. Actually, a very nice swimming pool. Look at that, a cabana with a television. No refrigerator. Yeah, that's a start. Paradise pool. I think they resurfaced this pool over the winter. I know they had drained it. It looks brand new. It looks nice. Yeah, this is what the cabana looks like. You don't get 100% shade, but you get about 95%. And then there's your television. Always gotta have a television. Yeah, they were going to remodel this entire, they were going to do the rooms and the casino, and it was going to become the Continental. As you can see, they haven't done anything. Yeah, carpet still wore out. Smells better than usual though, because this is the smoking section. And this normally, you can't breathe in here, but they've got so much deodorant, perfume, whatever, that you can't smell the smoke right now.
That's a good one. Right. Excuse me.
Not many people have prices anymore. $6.99. No way. $3.99. $4.99 for the Paps. And $6.99 for 25 ounce Miller Lite. That's horrible. They used to have really cheap prices. Not anymore.
Oh yeah, their pizza Pringles are right there.
This is where the sign used to be, right there. There's no sign, no mention of Continental anywhere in that casino anymore. So I would say it's 100%. The deal is off. No more Continental talk. So we're still at Silver 7's. That's what we're going to stay. Silver 7's. No Continental. Great location. If you can get a decent room at a good price, you should get it. I mean, you know, certainly on a Friday or Saturday night when you don't want to pay $300 on the strip. $21 prime rib. Yep, that's what it is. Silver 7's. I'm out.